So you know, mother ever prank me. So today my pranker said my runway. So I don't want to no more. I don't know if this is funny because I mean you're truly, you know. She's not funny like me. So yeah man. I have a thing to tell you. You need to listen to me. Feel like more running. I try to tell her something important, they still up on the phone. Unless I'm running because you're not paying me the type of attention and I listen to me and I talk to you.
You want to run away?
Same so. I feel like I can't see another house anymore.
You don't really want to run away?
You don't treat me like that, but you don't treat me the way
you don't want to run away. You don't want to run away. You say if you don't want to run away, you wouldn't dare start talking. You just run away and fly off and fling up on people and look for your missing child. Run away and make people ball.
You see? You did not take me serious. Listen how your thoughts I'm just tell you something. You see, I don't like the way you treat me in the house. I don't like the way you treat me. You did not take me serious.
A lie. I think we treat you too good. First of all, you name the most senior. You name the most senior. I'm not so strong, I can't get nothing for you. You name all me. A lie. You run okay, what? Oh, so you run over because we treat you too good. So what are they? What are they?
What?
This funny.
Come on for the phone now.
Jai, I'm not paying you no man because you can't serious. You say, hey, if you want to run away, you wouldn't dare start to me right now. You're there for your journey. You know for you that reach?
I feel like you don't love me.
About the mission because you're not serious. You're not
serious. You see me talk to you on the phone at school.
You say, if I really want to run away, you'd have come to me for some tips. Because we wouldn't even dare start the conversation, yeah?
I would come to you for the tips if I want to run away. Like your heads up.
You say you run away. So when you're there, you say, should I Egypt by now? You give me a heads up?
Yeah, Fred and what you say.
I'm not me a runway?
You know what? I still have to make you know.
You know, in your runway, run away, run away. You know tell people say you run, so what, are them because you run away now?
Yeah.
So we're back there, I don't like this for you. So you run away with no clothes, I don't like this for you.
I'm back in my room.
Look much clothes you have, look much things, pack up your things them, you know.
I'm back in my room.
No left, you want me help you?
No, I don't want you help me.
No left nothing, you know. You run where you're going to need the things them. I may not have money and them something that you're going to start over life.
So you're going to stay so I'm not come find me?
I never come find you. I'm not missing. You're missing? You're not missing, you know. The bad not take away. You say you're runway. Run away. You say you're runway. You're not missing.
Mother.
You're not missing. I mean, I say, you say if you serious, you run away and they will walk and search for you. You will come tell me say you're runway.
I got something. I'm not telling you I go. You're not going to know me.
You're not creative.
I'm creative.
You have time for properly dress up though for somebody who are runway. It's not serious.
It is serious.
It's not serious. You're not creative. When you are runway and tell people your plan, you just go up on the mission. I make people wonder where they.
Well, since I'm going to say it's emotional. I'm going to make you know.
Emotional?
Yeah, emotional.
If I'm emotional and ball and collapse, you should just run where you still not listen.
This is your last time to stop me.
This is my last time to
This
stop
is
you?
your last time to stop me.
I win was the first time.
You're not telling me serious with me. It's still up on the phone.
Alright. Maybe I serious something, but I not take it serious. So what make you want to run away? Help me to understand why you want to run away.
The food didn't taste good no more.
What food not taste good? Then you want me to carry on?
It tastes bad. I feel more of when you have my food.
Yeah. So the food make you want to run away?
Yeah.
You don't have enough reason for run away. Then all you have to do is just not have the food. But I still say, you're not serious. You serious? You're not serious.
You're joking.
Oh,
you're laughing on my face and I'm just telling someone run away.
Alright. Cause maybe I have some deep rooted issues I don't know about, but they not take it serious. The food not taste good, that's mine. Cause I know everybody can cook. So all this time, but they are things say the food not good. Alright, so what's seriously wrong with you?
Mentally, I can't survive it anymore.
A lie.
You mess me up, I can't do it no more.
So you can survive a Wakanda?
I'm telling you one more time.
You can survive a Wakanda?
You probably stop myself. What? I'm not that Africa. Mommy, you see, y'all are turning your back to me while I talk to you. See, you don't have no respect for me. So I might as well left your yard.
I think you're gone. I think you start the race and say you're runway. I think you're gone.
You need to take me seriously, man.
God say I know, I never hear you. I think you're gone.
You need to take me seriously.
I'm serious, so I say if you want.
Any home that cut you from, any home that left that place, any home that left the yard, yeah, my name change. Come here, I don't care what nobody wants to. I don't care what you want to feel. Because obviously, for the time of day, you're going like you don't care. You're still looking at your phone and I'm not talking to you.
Like the door when you left and left your key, come now nobody come in here and break in here with me in there.
Jesus Christ.
Like the door.
Mother.
Johnny, me just not take a serious. You could do a runway and still there right to start arguing with me.
Mother.
You see, say you're a joker.
Yeah, take me for you.
I may say, like the door, I left the key.
Oh, no, for actually this.
Come now, you lost out the road and nobody
for
find.
actually left now, me wicked. You did everything, and me
Of
left.
course, you're wicked. You're that
Are
wicked.
you wicked? You're not seeing I try to talk to you on the phone.
Alright. Why you probably run away, sir? Alright. Fun and joke aside now. Come now when you run away, I can't find you back here, so I kill this because I never listen, you know. What the real problem? What the real problem, Master John?
You're taking me for joking, about Master John, that door for me. No.
Alright.
You're laughing on my face, and I try to have a conversation. I try to have an adult conversation. And you're laughing.
Alright. I listen to you like an adult. Don't run away now, I'd rather you walk and you drop.
Jesus Christ. Yeah, I'm joking on my ears.
I'm just saying. Alright, man, listen. I'm just saying. Remember, say upstairs will leave me know you drop it.
Exactly why my coat left me.
And you see, I'm not
okay, I'm not taking me serious.
Alright, I don't talk. May I listen? May I shut my mouth and may I meditate? May I listen?
You know I listen.
May I listen? Yeah, may I listen?
Mother. Alright. Can't stay no more. What, just you're laughing on my face.
I'm sorry. Giant, please don't run away. No,
That even
you know,
convinced.
in other words, maybe you should. Because like I'm there while lose some weight, maybe me that just get maga down and stop me near my maga and look stressed out and hungry. Like me not, because I would eat now. Because I miss it because one thing make me laugh. I just get maga down and stressed out and have a skull dog.
Mother.
Alright.
It's not funny. Oh wait, what will I laugh for?
Alright. Listen, no.
If you take out your phone one more time.
Me not me listen. Fully focus.
Alright.
Topic, run away. Wait say go on.
Food not good. I like how you treat me. I'm stressed out. I can't live anymore. So I need to go somewhere better than this.
Oh.
Because I'm honest, just
Alright.
can't stay here anymore.
I'm like that. You're honest. You say you want to go somewhere better. You want to come out of the gutter and go somewhere better. So you feel like you're probably No, because you have your joke. This have to be a story I can't real life. I have a fiction I can't facts. Where gonna go? Who for you there
I
go?
have a place.
You have a place go? Where?
I have a couple places. I have a couple states can go.
We do. But I like him to unpack my bag, my 2 pieces of old clothes and go to my bed here.
I'm bed for what? I left.
Try no say when you left, let me key and you can't rally back, you know. You
No,
can't
come back.
rally
I
back.
hear you,
When you
I'm
know
come
work
back.
out, don't rally back.
I don't want to come back in the house.
Where say?
You even know some bun on this way and house, you know, because you tell me for you.
Bunny down flat.
Alright, we're going.
Alright, come here now. Come here, Jaim. Come here. I want you. Nobody road me.
You know, say I don't know. Oh, may I go?
Can you
If you look at me, you really think I'm here. Oh, may I go? Which state may I go?
You know, say
My plane
me.
ticket.
I don't know. Uno pick the
Leave
money
up
now.
to the
Uno pick the money on the road. You know, some running and mad and you with a garbage pan.
What?
But I don't believe, I say I have a joke you make. I say I have a joke you make something up here in my head.
Come on.
Lord, man, stop! I'm going on, man. Sure. So what was this all about?